Hello everyone, and welcome today. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to register an account on JustMarkets. Step 1. Click Register. Step 2. Select Country of Residence. Step 3. Enter email. Set password. Step 4. Click Partner Code optional. Step 5. Enter partner code 587zc0ax2c. With the partner code 587zc0ax2c, enjoy amazing benefits. 50% deposit bonus. No limits on the bonus you can get. Just invite friends. Earn up to $25 for every lot traded by your referrals. 0% fees on deposits and withdrawals. JustMarkets covers all expenses, which may occur when you deposit or withdraw funds. Step 6. Tick the box. Step 7. Click Continue. Step 8. Settings your account. Step 9. Click Get Started Now. Step 10. Check your email for a code. Step 11. Enter code. Step 12. Click Continue. Step 13. Fill personal information. Step 14. Fill profile information. Step 15. Click Continue. Congratulations on successfully registering. We wish you a great time trading, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us and follow our helpful videos.